Hi everyone! You know I've been sharing tips on earning money through YouTube, but today I want to share something even more exciting, crypto trading. It's trending worldwide, and here's the best part. I'll show you how to combine AI with trading to make smarter, automated profits. Even if you're a complete beginner, this series will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency isn't just a passing trend. It's shaping the future of money and technology. Over the last decade, Bitcoin has transformed from being worth a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars. And it doesn't stop with Bitcoin. There's an entire ecosystem of digital assets waiting to be explored, with thousands of opportunities in this space. What makes crypto so exciting? First, it's decentralized. No banks, no middlemen, no government control. Just true financial freedom. Second, the crypto market never sleeps. It's open 24/7, giving you unlimited chances to trade or invest whenever you want. Trading crypto manually can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Imagine staring at charts all day, trying to time the market perfectly. It's exhausting. That's where trading bots come in. These tools automate your trading strategies. You set the rules and they execute them perfectly, buying low, selling high, all on autopilot. Bots don't get tired, they don't panic, and they follow your strategy exactly. Even if you're new to crypto, bots can make trading simple and stress-free. In this series, I'll guide you step by step through crypto trading. We'll start with the basics, like setting up your Binance account, and move on to using trading bots effectively. If this sounds exciting, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, let's explore this fascinating world and start earning with crypto today.